The wind components consist of the headwind, tailwind, and crosswind components, but most of the time, pilots focus solely on the headwind and crosswind components. Imagine we're landing at runway 35 with winds at 080 at 10 knots. To begin, we need to find the angular difference, which is the difference between the runway heading and the wind's direction. So if we subtract 80 from 350, we'll get 270, which is a wrong direction. So to solve that issue, we use the following 3 steps. Step 1. We find the difference between 350 from 360 to get a result of 10. Step 2. We find the difference between 0 from 80 to get a result of 80. Step 3. We find the total of 80 and 10 to get your angular difference of 90 degrees. From experience, you'll be able to tell that's a crosswind. But let's continue. To calculate the headwind component, you'll simply multiply the wind speed by the cosine of the angular difference. In our case, would be 10 knots times cosine 90 or 0, which results in a headwind of 0 knots. Now for the crosswind component, we multiply the wind speed by the sine of the angular difference, which is 10 times sine 90, or 1, resulting in 10 knots. So we have a crosswind of 10 knots. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more aviation insights.